how to fix Play Store can't update on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store can't update on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just go to apps, and here you will find apps. Click on it, and now just scroll down until you find the Play Store, and here is it. Wait, here is it. Then just click on it, and first click force stop, and then click force stop, and now click storage, and then just click clear cache, and then click clear data and click OK, and then just go back again, and here we'll find Google Play services. Click on it, and click storage, and then click clear cache, and then click manage storage. Now just click clear all data and go back. Now it will be fixed, and that's it. Then just restart your phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.